Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what is Kalshi and how does it work and how you can use it to trade on US election as well. So about Kalshi, Kalshi is the first CFTC regulated exchange dedicated to the trading on the outcome of future events. From inflation to federal rates to unemployment to will the government shut down, Kalshi also allows people to trade on a broad range of topics. For example, you can also bet on US election as you can see on this page, who will be the Trump's Secretary of the Treasury, Scott Bessent or Howard Lutnick. You can also go to the next page and you can also bet on these type of topics. These are just examples that I'm showing you. For example, there are some other topics. Who will be Trump recess appoint? Who will be Trump's Attorney General? And you can just vote and bet for your selection, or you can vote yes or no for them. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.